Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today our topic will be the books we should read in our pregnancy. And we all should know like pregnancy is a really beautiful journey. But we all are very anxious about like what's going on now, next what. So these kinds of things are happening in the overall pregnancy journey. So here I am to like sort out these kind of things, the books you should read in pregnancy, so that you can sort out all your queries. You should know like what going to be next, so that will really help you. And these books also makes your mind and soul really calm, which I really found that these books are really helpful. So here I am with the top 5 books which really help you a lot throughout your pregnancy journey. So let's jump into the video. So these are the 5 books which I recommend you to like read in your pregnancy. They will really like help into the growing, the mental development of your babies, the overall growth of your baby, the peace of your mind, to make you feel good and everything all about. So let's get started. So first book is all about like, we have so many questions regarding our pregnancy, like, oh my god, what is this going on now, what's happening next, abhi kya hone wala hai, abhi kya hone wala hai, next kya hoga. Especially in your first pregnancy, you are very curious about to know the things in the right way. So this is the books. Sorry, this is a selfie camera, but yeah. So this is the book which really help you out into these kind of queries. This book is all about the 9 months of the pregnancy and after, beyond that thing. And this is really like prenatal, during pregnancy, postnatal, everything is included into this book. This is like Dr. Miriam Stoppard. This is UK most trusted parenting expert book, and this is a new pregnancy and birth guide. If you want, I will leave the link into the description box below. You will all get from the Amazon. I only buy these books from Amazon only, so these are really very good. And this is of DK Publications. So yeah, this is my first book. And if you read only this book only, then no Google, nothing, because sometimes Google gives us anxiety in pregnancy, and that is not at all good. So go for this book. This is a done kind of thing. You no need to read another Google sessions or something. No need of anything. This is the wholesome in it. So yeah, next is this is of Rujuta Divekar pregnancy notes before, during and after of the pregnancy. So this is another really very helpful book. You can if you want like what to eat, what not to eat, like dude, I need to eat this, I need to eat that, whether this is good, whether that is not. So these all kind of questions are covered into it. This is really very good. And if you are not known by this book, then Rujuta Divekar is the one who like sees the pregnancy of Kareena Kapoor. So yeah, I mean, this is not the way to go for this book, but I really love this book. That's why I'm recommending it. So yeah, really very good. So this book contains all about your pregnancy queries, the physical, the emotional changes into your body. This will cover all those things, and this will cover like all your eating habits, what to eat, what not to. So these 2 books are enough during your pregnancy. These 2 are really enough books. And second part is like the mood swings into the first trimesters, this kind of things happening, what's going on, what happened to me, like I'm emotionally dumped, or I'm like emotional breakdown is happening, this and that, why this is happening. So you need to keep calm in your pregnancy. That is good for you and even for your baby also. So we need something to boost up our soul, boost up our energies. So in that case, there are three other books which I recommend, and those, if you are a book lover, or you love reading, then obviously you should read this books, not even in the pregnancy, in the other stages of life also. So these I will recommend. The first book is Happiness Unlimited. This is of BK Shivani, Sister Shivani. I am the constant follower of Sister Shivani. I really love this lady. I really appreciate whatever she says. Like, Om Shanti. Yeah, so for the shanti of your mind and soul, you should read this book. This is really a good book, really very good book. Yeah. So next book is Amazing Secrets of the Bhagavad Gita. If you're a spiritual person, I am a sort of spiritual person. I really love to read like spiritual kind of things, so that's why I recommend these kind of things for you. So this is another book which I love to read while my pregnancy. Third one is The Wellness Sense. So this is the book which is of Om Swami. This is really a very good book. Everyone should read this, not only the preggy mommy. Everyone should read this book. I really love this book. This is all about like the components of your body, how your bodies will work, how your body react to this, react to that. These kind of things are happening in this book. So this is about the practical guide to your physical and emotional health based on Ayurvedic and yogic wisdom. So yeah, so these are the 5 books which I recommend, and you should really read these books, eat healthy, sleep well, do some exercises, do a walk. So this will really help you out. This is a lockdown period, so every mommy is also into the kind of anxiety and sort of stress level into the, but don't you worry, the situation will be gone and you will be all happy. So make yourself calm and happening. So that's all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.